nieces and nephews as an excuse, which breaks my heart. And of course, I want to see those, my kids, my nephews having, food on the table. Sometimes they say they don't have money for groceries. And we have the least income out of everybody in our family.
Are you just going to sit there?
So let's stop a second. You're talking about mainly about your sister. Let's just start with her, okay?
Yeah.
You have to be in the oncoming lane? What the... What was that whole thing? Oh, that's dangerous.
We're getting closer to my birthday here in January here, and still I cannot return the PlayStation Classic. It's an absolute nightmare. It's incredible. I mean, they can't just take it back.
How's that guy doing up there? Yeah, you can't really turn there. You're supposed to make the left turn right here, and you didn't.
Would anyone like to share?
I think that was red. Where the... That's a strange... I don't think he was in the left lane. BMW. Wow. What else is in there? Wow, come on. That was red light.
I know what happened to him in Miami. I know that he wasn't going to get fired. He pushed his way out. I also know people who worked very closely with him and what they thought of him. They thought
the penitentiary way after elementary, thought it was cool to look the judge in the face when he sentenced me. Since my uncles was
I'll let you in. I'll be nice.
To sputter tonight. They managed to outgain the Titans by a wide margin in the first half, but only had 9 points to show from it thanks to the leg of Jeff Wilkins.
To pass me.
As we will see, is a good thing because you're effectively trading energy density for safety.
Whoa!
In fact, even
never mind.
From here
I'm not merging there.
It must be painful.
Really?
Now, one thing they didn't have in the Triassic, ironically, was crocodiles. Toward the end of that period, there were protosuchans that would not.
I don't think he made it. Definitely the guy that's coming towards me now.
Those two propellants and give it the tiniest of ignition sources, and it will become very clear why having that much energy density packed into one structure has its drawback.
What the hell's that? Whoa, shit. That's bad.
Doing 2 or more videos a week now. I'm able to travel, and I've got a bunch of plans for the show going forward. I'm hoping to expand. I've got a bunch of new equipment. So, yeah,
wait,
thank you very much for your support.
Oh, that's blatantly red light. Subaru drivers! Okay, that's a really bad red light run. No turn on red. Red light runner. Nissan drivers. Alright, you're a little suicidal there. Right turn only from the right lane. Straight from a left turn lane.
Way better. What else did I like on this song? I like the Gypsy. I like Art Pop.
Nope.
Actually, I like almost.
Stop turning. Stop turning. Stop turning. Jeez. No, someone got horny. Wow. Hopefully that got on camera, and you can't do that either. Really?
Because of children under 5 attending free, and lifetime members have multiple passes.
Really?
What kind of idiot?
Oh, that's through the carpool lane. You're a freaking moron. William, go, Stell. Nope. Nope. How are you doing this wrong? Oh, yeah, make us all slam on our brakes. Good job, Cadillac. Whoa! Shit! I saw that. That almost was mad. That's ballsy. Nope. What the hell?
I lived my 20s at 2 years old.
This is awesome. Just awesome. People are running red lights. Wow. You are crazy. You don't even stop. Wow, how nice of you. Whoa. Suicidal today. And why are you turning left from there? You with the garbage bag. Fuck that kind of high tolerance when your age don't exist. You're tripping enough to. Whoa, what the hell? Straight from a left turn lane.
So many times that, yeah, they're not going to fight it. Now, let's continue this. Shortly after Baker declared a state emergency during the March.
Oh, I see that car up there. Okay. That was rad. Red light runner.
When you pushing the RAV4, you wrecking my Jaguar. You play like a bad sport. Her dashboard. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
That Acura.
Hold up, hold up.
Red light runner. And that was no turn on red. Another no turn on red. Nissan drivers. Oh. Wow. Did that just happen? Really? You're in the way. Exits from the middle lane. Can't go there. You can't be in that lane. That's got an explosive BMW.
Wait, I want you to feel good about yourself. But until you're at that weight where you're not, you know, spilling into my seat, you gotta buy 2 seats.
Wait, did he?
I shouldn't have to
I think he merged over last second, yes. What? No.
Swatch.
Watch that guy go straight. You see the sign to the left where it says that lane's right turn only. There's two other signs behind me that says that lane is right turn only. And of course,
the afternoon that the Jets are ready to hire Matt Rule. Well, what happened with that? Right? Am I right about that?
The green arrow ended.
Where did that?
Wow. Can't do that. And I even used a babysitter, you know? Really? Come on. Red light runner.
Form that doesn't. The plesiadapiform is like some other mammals, carnivorans, for example, that just have their eyes sort of attached to the side of their brain case with no protective.
What? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? And this has got to be one of the more dumbest stunts I've ever seen in recent memory. Red light runner.
Well, look, kids are curious about all kinds of stuff. I mean, you know, 8, 9, 10-year-old boys
turn
are
red.
interested in
Sports bettors, card collectors, and turn them into junkies of absolutely worthless digital cards.
The Subaru ran the stop sign.
First, let me go into Creative Player because they do this every year. We like to create ourselves and you know, see how well we do.
Red light runners, a lot of them. No one behind me. Really? What? Yeah, take your time. You can't go yet. What are you doing? Get back here. Yeah, what the frick? Well, you should have waited like another 5 seconds, and then you could have went, and you wouldn't be in the video.